Do you want to make it easy for prospects and potential customers to buy from your website? Well, keep these tips in mind. Convincing your prospects to purchase from you is a hard job. But have you ever thought that you're making the process twice as difficult for both parties if your prospects are convinced but don't know how to buy from you? No matter how good you are at convincing your prospects, they won't buy if they find the process complicated. First, keep this in mind. You will want to check that people can find your order form easily and hassle-free. You can write a clear, concise paragraph to direct your prospects to your order form so that you can minimize the chances of them getting lost. You can also reduce the chances of losing prospects by putting a prominent link to your order page from every other page on your website. Also, do you offer multiple payment options? Some people may feel comfortable paying via PayPal. Some may only want to pay with their credit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. The more options you offer, the better your chances of recovering your prospect's desired payment method. After all, it wouldn't make any sense to sell hard to a prospect only to find that they won't be able to pay you when they want to. On the other hand, you will want to prove that you are a credible merchant. Is your order form secured using encryption technology? You will want to look into an SSL certificate for this. This is the way to encrypt your payment methods and your website. You can also offer a money-back guarantee so that people will feel confident about buying from you. How about after-sales support? Who do they contact when they have problems after purchasing? Alternatively, you can add customer testimonials, your contact information, address, and so on to boost your prospects' confidence in you and your website. Make them feel safe about buying something from you, a total stranger to them on this big and worldwide web. So as a conclusion, it would be very pitiful if you sold very hard and put all that work in and sold very well to a prospect and something goes wrong right at the end when he or she is ready to pay. So eliminate any chances of that happening to maximize your profits. So if you're looking to start a website, if you're looking to build a blog, to do affiliate marketing, to create a magazine, to create a webinar, check out this all-in-one platform, Builderall, the most complete digital marketing tool in the world. I'll put a link in the description of this video if you'd like to check it out. And also, if you're creating videos, particularly YouTube videos, you want to have this great tool, Tubebuddy, as well. Install it free today. Your best friend on the road to YouTube success. Tubebuddy is great for accessing the correct keyword and find what potential customers your audience is looking for. So check out Tubebuddy, check out Builderall. The link's in the description of this video. So take care, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.